Hello and welcome to the demo of JioCart mobile application. In this video, we are going to see the functionality of the buyer app, the seller app, and the admin, thus covering a full life cycle of ordering a product till delivery. Although JioCart is an e-commerce mobile application, it is different in a lot of aspects. Most importantly, it provides the buyer with an ability to initiate a purchase and receive bids or offers from different sellers. The buyer can then choose an offer based on the price offered and the history and rating of the seller. So let's have a look at the different screens and understand the flow of the app. A buyer can start by downloading the application from the Play Store and registering himself using his email ID. He can then log in using his credentials and start using the application. Once logged in, the buyer can start browsing for different products available within the app. He can go to the categories and browse different categories and different products within those categories. He can also use the smart search to search for the products he or she is looking for. Once he finds the product, he can either add that product to the wish list and continue browsing for other products. Or he can choose to view the details of the product and initiate the request for offer from different sellers. So let's try to request for an offer. To reduce the risk of spam requests for offers on any product, a user needs to have some credits in his accounts to initiate the request. To start with, a user is assigned 2000 credits on registration and he can then use these credits for ordering the products. If he completes an order, the credits will again be credited to his account for next order. Once a user initiates the request for offer on any product, all the logged in sellers will receive a notification of a new offer on the seller application. The sellers can then choose to accept or discard the request. Now, the seller can start offering his price for the product. He can also see and compare the recent offers by other sellers, but he does not see the name and the other details of the sellers who have placed the bids. Based on whether or not he can offer a better price than the current bid, he can choose to continue bidding or stop there. He can also choose to continue by offering a free add-on without reducing the price of the product. As the sellers start offering for their best offers, the user will keep getting updated offers and their notifications in the buyer app. He can see the details of the latest offers. At any moment, the buyer can close the offer and choose to accept any bid from the list. When he chooses to see the offers, he can view the list of all the offers by different sellers and also the seller ratings. He can then choose any offer out of the list and order for the product. Once the user chooses to accept an offer and order the product from a seller, the seller will receive a notification to process the order. The seller can then process the order and change the status of the order as it is processed. Once ready for pickup, the administration of the application will receive a notification that an order is ready to be picked up and delivered. The administrator can then move the order to different statuses like in transit, or move to delivered according to the progress of the delivery or logistics team.